Hello ka-friend chef! At today's video ay magluluto tayo ng spaghetti lockdown version. Dahil ang spaghetti ito ay masyadong tinipid dahil wala tayong mapabilhan ng bonggang ingredients. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Okay ka-friend chef, here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 100 grams na ground pork, 2 pieces na sweet ham, hiniwa ko siya into maliliit na square, 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece tomato, 1 piece onion, and then meron tayo ditong 350 na spaghetti or spaghetti pasta, and then meron din tayo ditong 500 grams na spaghetti sauce. Meron tayong dalawang calamansi. Meron tayong cheddar cheese. At saka meron tayong 154 ml na evaporated milk. And of course, gamit tayo ng cooking oil. And then salt and pepper. Okay ka-friend chef, let's do the rock and roll. Okay ka-friend chef, sa isang pot, meron na tayo ditong kumukulong tubig. So, what we're going to do next is maglalagay tayo ng isang kutsarang salt. Ayan. At saka isang kutsarang canola oil. Ay, so sorry. Buksan. Oops. So, ayan ka-friend chef. Nalagyan natin ng asin at canola oil, yung kumukulong tubig natin. So what we're going to do next is ilalagay natin yung ating spaghetti pasta. So ayan ka friend siya. I-boil natin siya na at least 9 to 10 minutes or hanggang maging al dente yung ating pasta. Al dente means soft from the outside and hard from the inside. So, ayan ka friend chef, balikan natin siya later. Okay ka friend chef, ayan na po, al dente na yung ating pasta. So, what we're going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa water and then i-set aside. Okay, what we're going to do next ka friend chef, sa isang wok, maglalagay tayo ng konting cooking oil. Ayan na po ka-friend chef. And then after that, saute natin yung ating garlic. Dagdag natin yung ating sibuyas. Saka yung ating kamatis. After that, idagdag na rin natin yung ating ground pork. Lagyan natin ng konting salt. And then, dagdag tayo ng pepper. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan sa friend chef hanggang mag-golden brown yung ating pork or hanggang maluto siya dyan sa friend chef. So, balikan natin siya later. So, ayan na po ka friend chef. Luto na yung ating ground pork. So, what we're going to do next is dagdag natin yung ating sweet ham. Ayan. Mix lang natin very well. So, hayaan na lang muna natin sila dyan ka friend chef hanggang medyo maprito yung ating sweet ham. Okay, ayan na po, luto na yung ating sweet ham. So, what we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating spaghetti sauce. Ayan, simukin natin. Mix lang natin very well ka friend chef. And then, dagdag na rin natin ang ating evaporated milk. And then, dagdag na rin natin yung ating cheese. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin sila dyan ka friend chef. Siguro mga isang kulo lang. Pwede na natin idagdag yung ating pasta. Okay, so ayan na po, kumulo na yung ating spaghetti sauce. So what we're going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng dalawang calamansi to enhance the flavor of our spaghetti sauce. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating pinakuloang pasta. So, ayan na siya ka friend chef. So, mix lang natin very well hanggang mag-incorporate yung pasta natin doon sa sauce. So, ayan, luto na siya ka friend chef. Ready for serving. Okay ka friend chef, ito na po yung ating spaghetti lockdown version. Okay, so i-garnish lang natin siya ng cheese. Mas maraming cheese, mas masarap. So, ayan na po siya, friend chef. Okay ka friend chef, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang spaghetti natin sa araw na ito, which is lockdown version. And kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Tutu Mira at your service. Always remember that behind the dark clouds, there is always silver lining. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.